The workshop is dark today, but sometimes the best work happens in the shadows. We're executing the Nordic Protocol. I started with the background first. Honestly, at this stage, I wasn't sure if the detail was even there. It just looked dark. As the laser hits the Cyber-Viking, the wood is charring deep. It's a bit of a gamble when you can't see the finish line clearly. But then, the reveal. Once I cleared the surface and hit the lights, the Cyber-Viking finally stepped out of the darkness. Look at that detail. The Nordic Protocol border and the Cyber-Viking title came out perfectly crisp despite the gloom.